All right, hello YouTube. This is the Ollie's light. Oh, Magnavox. Solar light garden review that we bought. That's the part number that we bought from Ollie's. I'll let you know what the price is as soon as we see what's inside here. Alright, this is a adjustable focus solar garden light. Instructions on position. Light. That's the LEDs. Weatherproof, no wires needed. Let's go out there and do it. And this was $9.99. Alright, what I want to do is replace that because it's not as bright as that one. And I'm going to do it with these. What a big difference. We got the smiling sun and the moon. All right, so you can see the difference. All right, let me get this side. Not bad, huh?
No, not bad at all.
Let me take this other one because, like I said, it is the regular light, and this is the bright light.
We need to turn it. There.
That's that. Alrighty. So pretty bright. It's really what we were looking for.
Yeah.
So that now it makes you wonder. Look at that one there. Might have to change the one by Mary. Alright, that looks pretty good. This I was wanting to show you over here. How does that look?
Looks good.
Yeah, because I mean that security light will go off.
Yeah.
But I was thinking of just shining that right there, but that looks pretty good. It's making me wish now I might have to get the Mary different. And the flag. But I like it. That's the color I was looking for the whole time.
True LED, the other ones are just
Yeah.
white. And that's what makes it
Yeah. Alrighty. Well, it's worth it. $9.99.
Heck yeah.
If we happen to see it, we'll buy another one. If
You
not,
gotta go to the Zephyr Hill store because
yeah.
the Lakeland one don't have it.
But that's the color that I've been looking for, is that bright white.
White.
All right. Till the next review.
See ya.